Today's Bible verse comes from Micah chapter 6 verse 8 King James Version. He hath shewed thee, O man, what is good, and what doth the Lord require of thee, but to do justly, and to love mercy, and to walk humbly with thy God. Micah 6:8 is a central call to action, summarizing God's desires for humanity. He has shown you, O mortal, what is good, and what does the Lord require of you: to act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God. This verse calls for people to treat each other fairly, show compassion and kindness, and live in humble relationship with God, emphasizing internal change and ethical behavior over mere ritualistic sacrifice. Breaking down the three key actions. Number 1, to act justly. This means to pursue righteousness, fairness, and equity in your dealings with others and to challenge oppressive systems. Number 2, to love mercy or kindness. This involves extending compassion, generosity, and grace to others, reflecting the same covenant love that God shows to His people. Number 3, to walk humbly with your God. This emphasizes a lifelong personal connection with God, grounded in obedience and a recognition of His character, which serves as the foundation for justice and mercy. Number 4, God's true desire. It reveals that God desires a change in human attitude and behavior, not just religious offerings or rituals. Number 5, foundation for faith. A deep, humble relationship with God provides the power and motivation needed to engage in acts of justice and mercy in the world. Amen.